Okay, let's start with the introduction. Start with the introduction. Okay. Geometric modeling refers to a set of
Sir, when might we have first meet, sir?
we'll give you an update. Till now, we don't have any information on this. First, 16th onwards, final year exams will be there. Um, After that, it may be.
Sir, మాకు 3-2 ఉంటాయా సార్ ఎగ్జామ్స్?
Oh,
సార్ 3-2 ఎగ్జామ్స్ మాకు పెడతారా సార్?
that also I don't know, ma. As of now, final year exams are confirmed according to university. So, 16th onwards, final year exams will be. Later, we'll have meeting with the examination branch people. Then we'll update. Okay.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Right. Geometric modeling refers to a set of techniques concerned mainly with developing efficient representations of geometric aspects of a design. Therefore, geometric modeling is a fundamental part of the all CAD tools. Okay, I already told you there will be any model. If you observe any model you take, that model is a mixture of geometric primitives. Will you agree? Will you agree? Is my screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Geometric,
Visible.
geometric. Yeah, okay. Now tell me, what is the meaning of geometric primitives, sir? Any model can be a combination of set of combinations of one time or two times or multiple times, joining together or clubbed together, or uh, any Boolean operations by doing any Boolean operations. Boolean operations in terms of CAD means addition, subtraction, and intersection. These are the three. So by using all these things, you can get a model. What are the geometric primitives? Gnaneshwar, Anurag.
Sir,
Ah. Tell me, Gnaneshwar.
sir, I'm getting some disturbance, sir.
From my side?
From my side, sir, all are running, sir. So sound is so much disturbed, sir.
It is coming clearly only. There is no issue. You can talk, no problem.
So what was the question, sir? Can you please repeat?
Geometric modeling means any model can be, any model or any CAD model can be represented or modeled by means of joining combination of geometric primitives. What are
Sir,
those primitives?
so like excluding.
Those are the operations. I'm asking geometric primitives.
Sir, assembling maybe comes under the geometric primitive, no, sir.
No. Assembly is completed. Part modeling is created. Then joining all parts together is called assembly.
Sir, that is joining by axis or joining, aligning with the axis.
No. Those are not called as primitives. Those are aspect functions. I told you clearly many number of times. When you create a any solid, it is a combination of geometric primitives. Basically, you heard it in your schooling also. Basics of geometry చెప్పేటప్పుడు these are the five or
Sir,
four or five will be definitely discussed. What are those?
sir, every geometric structure is a combination of certain shapes, sir, like
Ah,
semicircle, hemisphere, straight line, curved lines.
yes. Not lines. If you can say that simply geometric primitives means rectangle, square, triangle, circle. Okay, these are, if you take any object with your naked eye, what are the objects you observe? All these models are combination of all these geometric primitives. Will you agree or not? Will you agree or not?
Yes, sir. We
Ah,
agree, sir.
so this is that is nothing but geometric model and which are made by primitives. Therefore, geometric model is a fundamental part of all CAD tools. So, without knowing about the geometric tools, even though you learn software, that is only you can made some parts, but problem is unable to explain it theoretically. Okay. Somebody messaged me for this chat. I don't have camera. My PC. It is 315. Ellipse also, sir. Okay, good. Ellipse also correct answer. Correct. So, how many of you attended the SolidWorks session in the previous semester?
Sir,
SolidWorks.
I attended, sir.
Nyaneshwar attended. Next, 357 also attended. You can speak out. 357. Just you unmute yourself and speak out. 357. Okay. So why I am asking is, Ganesha, you answer me. Whenever you model a part in a SolidWorks, you are going to create some properties. You are going to give some properties. What is the density? What is the material? And what is the weight of this material? And what is the volume of the material? What is the area of the material? Area of the model and volume of the model. Will you able to calculate all those things or not? Ganeshwar, hello.
Sir,
When you're doing solid modeling using the software, there if you create a model, suppose it's one rectangular cuboid you made it, you want to calculate the mass property values. That means what is the material, you have to give the material value or material type, and based on that area, volume, weight, all these things we can calculate. No.
sir, actually, we did not practice till that much depth, sir. Just
Okay,
about
okay.
just basics, sir.
Okay, right. So that is a unique feature in the SolidWorks software. So whenever we are going to do analysis, at least I'll give you one example, simple example. All of you practiced some of the FEM problems in ANSYS, am I right? Irrespective of the training, you have last time regular classes conducted in lab itself, FEM.
Yes, sir.
While doing the truss problems and all, you are going to identify the truss values, truss weight, how much, what is the volume, what is the area, all these things you have a calculator or not?
Yes, sir.
So these values you created in the or you evaluated in the ANSYS, but in this particular SolidWorks software and CATIA also there, mass property value calculations, all these things will be, we can give the values and we can check it. Suppose we want to give some value, some x value given to some material or some model, then once you apply the loads, it is damaged, or result shows that there is some problem in the material, or there is some problem in the structure. So immediately we can go for the part model and you can change the want to change the material, or you want to change the dimensions. Either thing can be done on the part model, and you can upload the same, and you can repeat the analysis results. Then you can, this is a basically ANSYS means There is no standard method for doing any analysis. It is a trial and error. What is the meaning of trial and error? What is the meaning of trial and error?
We make a product and just try on it, sir. If that is come to our limits, we can use it.
Okay.
Other than we can
Yeah.
improve the dimensions and again reuse it.
Yeah. So simply you can say that any experiment what you do, irrespective of the CAD experiments and all, in your school days also, if you practice a game or something, any other thing, then what are the when you practicing something, you might have get some doubts and you might have getting the practical errors. So all these errors can be eliminated by trials. If you make number of trials, then you may succeed. Okay. After getting only one trial you made it, then you should not tell that I am not succeeded. Suppose if you made 10 trials, out of these 10 trials, you might have many painless problems also there. A person given a trials for a particular problem, out of 10 trials, he succeeded in 70%. What is the probability of this criteria? This is sometimes questions are there now. Similarly, yeah, ANSYS is nothing but we had to give uh, frequently we have to change the some values and we have to wait for the results. Which one shows the better results? So that is the suggestion we have to give for the your client. Okay, so simply we may, in other words, I'm telling you, whenever we are going for any medical test, okay, suppose if you detected that hemoglobin is reduced less than 10 means, so it is a problem. So what immediately doctor what will suggest? We have to take fruits or any iron content or something like that. What are the blood increasing contents? So we have to eat those. So similarly, here also any particular problem or any particular model has a analysis results. So based on these analysis results, you have to suggest the client that, sir, we have to do such kind of uh, improvements in your materials or improvements in dimensions or any other thing will be there. You have to suggest that, and if you follow that, then there will not be any problem. So why these things are very much crucial? These analysis results I'll tell you. Recently, one explosion happened in Vizag, nearby Vizag, some LG company. Did you aware of it?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Gas
so
leakage.
gas leakage. So because of that, the tanker has been exploded. Am I right? So many people are died. So if such kind of temperature related areas, that means if you take a boiler or condensers or some thermal power plants areas, furnace and all, very high pressure, very high temperatures will be there, and if any mistake was happened, then it will be huge loss for the not only infrastructure, there will be lives also spoiled. Okay, so to avoid such kind of things, we have to do proper analysis for your model. Okay, either it may be a static model, either it may be a dynamic model, or it may be a CFD, or it may be a fluids, or whatever the model. Nowadays, you can take aerodynamics. Okay, suppose any problem occurred for aircraft in between flying. So what will happen? We might have heard many news regarding this. So immediately flight was landed safely with the appreciated all the technicians. So all these things will be you'll get in news. So that means that there will be any problem means any technical error happened in the wing. If not properly analyzed that aircraft, so heavy winds will be there above the ground level. So after certain height, there will not be any air. So flight will be properly travel. Otherwise, if any difficult will be there, so there will be huge loss. So in that case also we can consider surface design is very much perfect. Okay, whenever you observe any car is backside spoiler is there. Did anybody observe spoiler?
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of spoiler?
To stick the car wheels onto the road on high speeds.
Yeah, in high speeds, generally air will follow through this kind of shape. Are you able to see my hands? If this is the car shape, air will come to you like this, and it will flow like this. Are you able to see my hands?
Only one hand, sir.
Okay, second two hands also.
Somewhat, sir.
Okay. So
Camera.
observe that left hand is the this hand is the car shape. This is the car shape, and air will flow like this. Am I right?
Yes,
Air
sir.
will flow like this. So if on high speeds, this heavy air will disturb the flow of the car. So if it is whatever the air coming air coming over the car, this will be managed properly. Then only, and it regularized properly. Then only your car will be safe. Otherwise, it may be a fly in the air. So because of that, accident may happen. If you want to clear idea about this one, after completion of this class, go to YouTube and just any F1 car racing videos you watch, then every car is having this spoilers. Okay. Now coming to this geometric modeling, main applications will be mass property calculations, mechanism analysis, finite element modeling, and NC programming. Okay, NC programming will be comes in the third unit. Requirements of geometric modeling include completeness of the part representation. What is the meaning of completeness? When we can say that it is a completed.
When the product is totally assembled and ready to use.
Ready to use virtual product, how you can use? Virtual product cannot be used, na?
Then total simulation is completed and it has given good results.
Not only good results, we properly given the dimensions and everything. Suppose a model is there, then for that model, 2D model is the front view, top view, side view, sectional views, detailed views, okay, bill of material, okay, analysis results. All these things will be there. Then we can say that this is the completeness of the representation. Okay. Next one is the modeling method should be easy to use by designers. The modeling method should be easy to use by designers. That means what? Hello? Modeling method. What is the meaning of this modeling method? Are you able to hear my question?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Modeling method means what? There are different ways to model a part. So that means that suppose if you want to model a steps, normally a steps figure we did in AutoCAD. No, did you remember steps figure?
Yes, sir.
In that step figure, how we have to do? So first you have to take the 50 by 50 by 50 block from that that portion, the steps portion. What is the dimension is there? According to the steps, you have to remove those three steps. Okay, I'll show you one thing. Just a minute, hold on.
Hello.
Who is that? Is my screen shared to you?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So whenever this I want to create this model, okay? Can anybody tell me what are the? I cannot tell you that everyone has to be follow the same method. Will you agree this point? Will you agree this point or not? Hello. Every one of you should follow their own way. That means that there is some people may follow first draw the this block. Assume that there is no dimensions here. Assume that this is 50. This is also 50, and this is 100. Is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
assume that which is having the breadth and height is 50, and length will be 100. Okay. So first of all, I am creating this block. After completion of this block, this triangular portion I am removing. This rectangular portion I am removing, and this is cylindrical part I am removing, and this product will be available. Is it right? Other than this, but
Yes,
this
sir.
way, it can be modeled number of ways. Can anybody tell me what are the different ways to model this product? I already told one method. You tell me new method.
Sir, doing step by step and attaching them, sir.
That's what I used big block, and from that block, this triangular portion removed, this rectangular portion removed, and this is a cylindrical part removed. Other than this method, you tell me new technique. What is new technique?
Sir, first we will design a side, sir. Then we will extrude, and then from the end of that one, we will prepare one square of line 50 and 50 base
Hmm.
and height,
Hmm.
and we will extrude for some distance, and we will do for that one also, sir.
Good.
Similarly.
So simply, what is the Jnanish want to say is, I'm repeating this. Just observe my screen, sorry, cursor. I'm starting this point. I'm drawing this portion. Okay, this portion I draw. Once I draw this one, then I go to extrude in the same way. What is the depth of it? This is what you want to tell, Ganeshwar?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
after completion of this portion, then he wants to add one material about this one. What is the structure of this one? It's a purely rectangle. So this rectangle will be added here, and again this portion will be added, and again this portion will be this small portion will be added here. So according, so
No,
like
sir. From here completely, I will take a block and then I will remove a square part from that one, sir.
that is also possible. Some people may think like this also. From this to this, they can add. Okay. After completion of this one, next one person may add only this one. Okay, that is also possible now. So, according to you, this is the one, two, and three, and four. Okay, but according to some person, you have three additions and one subtraction. Aneshwar, am I right?
Sir, actually, I will do in the first way which you have said, sir. If
Yeah.
you asked for an alternative, so I said this one, sir.
Yeah, that's what better is creating an object, full object, and removing is always better. But there are many different ways to represent or create an object. So modeling technique you should follow in this way. There is no restriction for you. Okay, some people assume that this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view. Okay, so in this front view, top view and side view, I may prefer always by seeing the front view. Assume. So I will start the diagram with the front view only always. Some people comfortable with the side view, left side view or right side view. They can go with that kind of view. So similarly, according to the orientation and comfortness of the user, you can utilize the thing. There is no difference in the drawing output whenever you start the drawing from front view, side view, or top view. Is it clear to all of you? Whatever the way you follow, your end product will be same. Clear now? Is it clear now? Shall I go further? Shall I go further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm stopping this here, this lecture, and going with the according to the designers. Okay, and the rendering capabilities, which means how fast the entries can be accessed and displayed by the computer. Rendering means whenever you are telling something or you are singing something, that should be reached to the listeners. Okay, so that means that here also many products are modeled, but rendering means giving the color appearances and any other appearances will be there, and it should be accessed and displayed by the computer. So it's a mostly it's a hardware part. So definitely it should be 4 GB RAM computer, then only it will be helpful, and moreover graphic card. And this is the most important slide in entire CAD CAM. Just you observe this. If you go for any product development, definitely idea should come. Based on that idea, design and analysis should done, and based on the design and analysis, it should be acceptable limit. Then it will be sent to the production. So, what is the common for all these three?
Geometric model.
Geometric modeling. So that means that every one of you, either you designer or analyst or production people or um, uh, doing new survey and all for different products and all that comes under ideas. So all these people should know about the geometric modeling. Then only suppose any problem occurred in this design analysis, immediately he can communicate to the people who do the survey, and there is some problem in this modeling, so you should be change, and you ask the customer again what is the requirement and any changes in that. So otherwise, if it's sent to the production team without proper analyzing, then it will be huge loss for the company. Okay, so I'll tell you one example. Whenever you go for purchase or new clothes for you, it may not be fit. Some people may not be fit the this ready-made dresses. So what do you do? So you'll go to cloth showroom first, and you take the measurement of the cloth, and based on that, you go for the tailor and all. But on your own, you go or go to the cloth store, or how you tell the dimensions of the cloth? Can anybody tell me? For example, if you want to go to a cloth store, okay, in the mm, and what is the size of you selected the product, but sir, how much you want to cut? So how you tell that? On what basis? Anurag, Gyaneshwar, please respond.
User requirements.
User requirement, okay, but how you tell that? How much is suitable for me and all? He don't know, no. Like a shopkeeper, either you want to 3 meters or 4 meters, he will give you. There is no issue because he want to sell the clothes. That is his duty. But
Yes, sir.
How much you require, that is your duty, na? If you instead of 2 meters cloth, you taken 3 meters cloth, 1 meter cloth is wasted. That is waste of money.
Yes, sir.
So for that, what is the thing you have to do before entering into the classroom?
Prototyping.
Not prototyping. For your class, how you do that? Create the prototype, man. That is not correct. First, we have to go to the tailor first.
Sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Sir.
First, you have to go for the tailor, and he will suggest you that, sir, this much shirt length
Cloth.
is required for you. Length is required for you, and this much length is required for your pant. So it may be 2.2 meters for the shirt or 2 meters for the pant. Assume, and immediately
Sir.
go to the cloth store, and you may buy 2.2 meters of shirt piece, 2.2 meters of pant cloth. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you buy before without concerning the tailor, if you go to classroom and why you have to go like this, I may go, so 2 meters cloth and 1.6 meters of pant, 2.2 meters of shirt piece, 1.6 meters of pant piece.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you went to the this tailor again, then he will not accept this. It won't suit for you. Your personality is this much. I already told you. Why you taken this much means I can't give your shirt and pant according to your dimensions. So immediately, what do you think? So I will go to shopkeeper and I will return the cloth. If you go to classroom and want to ask for the replacement, you will take it.
No, cut pieces are not taken.
Yeah, that means that simply why I am giving an example is, if whenever you are going for any production process, okay, if you cut the raw material, if you cut the material, required material from the raw material which is available in sheets or something else, so according to the piece requirement only you have to cut it. If you cut more than this, then automatically huge loss will be there for
Manufacturers.
in manufacturer industry people. Okay, I will. Is it clear to all of you how you people should be there to manufacture product? Clear
Sir.
now with an example, right? I will give you one more example. What is the cost of mild steel, means MS material, in terms of kg in the market right now? Either it may be housing purpose or many people are buying no sheets and all or rods, all
The
these things.
kg, sir, mild
Hmm.
steel.
Hmm.
The steel dumbbell kg is 125 rupees, sir.
Okay, now 125, MS will be around 60 to 70 or something like that. Okay, right.
Sir.
Now you buy one MS sheet from the market, okay, for your product, either it may be final project in future. So you not taken the proper dimensions with the are imposed on the this particular melt steel sheet, and improperly cut because without concerning to the proper technician. So it is dimension somewhat lesser, 5 centimeters extra you cut means no problem. You can cut this 5 centimeters extra, no problem. But if you cut 5 centimeters less than the required shape, than the required shape is some 15 or something, you cut only 10 centimeters. Am I right? Then what will
Sir.
happen? It
The
won't fit
design failure will happen.
it won't fit into the that particular slot. So that means that again this 160 rupees or 70 rupees kg material will be going for a scrap. Go for any scrap material shop and ask for the what is the kg MS cost. How much they will give you?
Less.
Less no, very less. So less than 10 rupees, say, per kg less than 10 rupees. So remember this. Why I am telling this much specific is, if you cut that material without any consent or without any proper identification or proper team of people, then it is very difficult for you. Where is 70 rupees? Where is 10 rupees? Okay, less than 10 rupees. So huge loss for the manufacturer. So that's why these three regions should be worked together. Then only it will be easy for you. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Coming to design and analysis, and one small thing, morning 10 to 11 project management class is completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again 11 to, oh, sorry, 12 to 1 also sir is taking the class. I'll close the session in 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Right. So just now, before starting the class, analysis part means we want to know the certain things of the particular mass property calculation. So these evaluation of areas and volumes, evaluation of mass and inertia properties, interference checking in assembly. Interference means is it properly fitting into or not. Okay. Normal in assembly, if any dimensional changes will be there, then you can go for the interference and we can fit it. But actual part, definitely it should be within the limits. With the if it cross the limits, then it will be this slide. I will discuss in the next class also, no problem. There is three types of fits will be there. You know, fits and fixtures. Did you come across with this? Fits and fixtures. Loose fit, tight fit, interference fit. You didn't come across? Hello. You didn't? Huh? Not come across this topic.
Yes, sir. In machine tool.
Machine tools are MFT. You will get this. Okay. If the if any shaft is there, it should be fixed into one more hole or something. It will be within the limits. Then it will be one kind of fit. It is more than that, then it is very difficult to it. So there are the different kinds of fits will be there. Okay, we'll discuss that part in the next class as well. Please remember this. This topic will cover. And analysis of tolerance build up in assemblies. So this is also one of the important part. Analysis of kinematics, mechanics, and robotics, and automatic mesh generation, finite element analysis. These are the uh, mm, things we can cover in a design part and analysis, design analysis. Okay. Okay. Any doubts in this today's class? 2 minutes or 3 minutes open session to all of you.
Here, sir.
Okay. Okay. Shall I close now?
Sir, could you please share this PPT, sir?
Yeah, definitely I'll share. Uh,
Sir, after completing or now only?
now only I'll share.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because right now I have some other work. After 1:30, I'll share it. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.